What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another dope video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release November 14th. But before we get into the main attraction, if you guys haven't already taken a look at my review for the Air Jordan Retro 1 Dark Mocha, please go ahead and do so. And if you want to just skip the review and want to pick these joints up right now, they are shipping out right now on FineLine1721.com. You will have your pair in hand before the release date. Also, another shoe that I would like to get into is this one right here, the Air Jordan Retro 5 as stated before. If you guys want to just skip the review, you see the shoe in my hand and you want the shoe on your feet, head over to FineLine1721.com. These joints are shipping out right now ahead of the release date. I believe these are supposed to be dropping November 7th. They will ship out right now before the release date. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction that we have right here. Silver metallic Air Jordan Retro 1 OG style box. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 1 High OG white metallic silver. Flip open this box lid, got a little stamp right here on the bottom, a little Nike check. Got some detailing right here on the paper with the Jumpman logo in the 2001 and 2020. Let's go ahead and pull these out the box and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Midnight Navy Tokyo. First thing first, it does come with an extra pair of laces in the all white color. These are flat, and the shoestrings that come inside of the shoe factory laced. It will be kind of like a flat rope style lace in the navy colorway. Flipping the tongue back, the shoe tree comes as such. And taking a look at the insole, you have the navy blue insole with the COJP. Also taking a look behind the tongue, you have the Jumpman logo sitting on top of the years 2001 and 2020. Now taking a look at the front profile of the shoe, all white leather tongue. It does not have like the patch. All it has is the Nike Air branding sewn directly into the tongue. Nice little material on there. I don't know if this is going to be another one of those quality control type of shoes, but I will say that the pair that I have right here that I'm reviewing is definitely nice and buttery. The toe box is of the same texture as the tongue. It's pre-creased with a lot of give to it. Taking a look at the navy blue nubuck, Durabuck around the eyelets and the toe box, it definitely feels like Durabuck. Almost has that vibe of like, say, a pair of retro 7s or like the retro 6s. If you're used to that type of material, then that's the type of material that would be on this shoe. Going around to the side profile of the shoe, more of that pre-creased tumbled leather right here inside of the mid panel. Silver Nike check. It has like the gel bubble Air Jordan wing logo right here on the side. Going around to the heel of the shoe, all navy heel. Going around to the medial side, exactly as the lateral, mixtures of navy, white, and metallic silver. And also the material right here is just the same as the lateral side. Got some nice tumbled leather right here on the mid panel. Quick little 360 of this joint right here going all the way back around the shoe. Really happy that they decided to go with tumbled leather for the navy pair. Not saying that the silver one was a bad shoe, but just the material that they decided to go with is like basically like a crease magnet. Taking a look at the other shoe inside of the pair just to see if the quality of materials match, which from the side view it actually does. Same tumble leather on the mid panel, same tumble leather in that toe box. This tongue also has that same tumble leather. Nice textures all the way throughout. It's almost like, man, if you hit these joints with like some Crep Protect, you don't have to worry about, you know, getting those stains or anything on your Durabuck material. These right here is definitely good to go in my opinion. That about wraps it up on the Jordan 1 Navy Tokyos. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. I have these available in GS sizes and men's sizes. So 4 through 14 will be on the website. They are shipping out right now as we speak. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.